Holy shit, it is hailing. I don't know if you can see that. That is fucking hail. There's more hail over here, over there. It's hailing like a motherfucker right now. It's fucking crazy. Look at that. This is insane. How the hell is it hailing in Tempe? Oh my god. Oh, my poor kitty's scared. Holy shit. As you can see, it's getting progressively worse. Or worse. I can't really tell. As you can see that, we're gonna move over here. See all of the hail on the ground? That shit's pretty much sticking. You can hear it. It's not that cold though. It's kind of cold. Holy shit. Oh my god. My cat is freaking out right now. You can see there's lots of hail on that stool. Mother Nature is pissed. Kitty! My cat's freaking out. I kind of want to throw Carmen out in here. Boogie, that cat bite? Carmen's gonna go out in the hail. I don't know if you can see her. She's out there. Oh, it's pretty cold. Carmen. Poor puppy. Oh, that's what you get for every good buddy. Come here, Boogie. The hails are getting progressively bigger. Carmen, get in here. Go inside. Holy shit. Oh my god. This is fucking crazy. It is icy. I'm glad I don't have anywhere to go. I know, baby, I know. That is so crazy right now. Look at this. Carmen, what is happening? Mother Nature is so pissed right now. Oh, and of course it stopped. Okay, it's done. It's over. Well, that was extreme. Lasted all of almost 3 minutes. Everything is now going to melt. That is fucking crazy. You can see all of the hail. All over there too. And all over here. We're gonna get down real quick. Carmen, if you're wet, don't get on the couch. She's not gonna listen to me. That was pretty fucking intense. I caught every second of it. If you can't see, this is a little hail. And it's actually pretty solid too. That's fucking insane. Mother Nature is pissed. Global warming my ass.